Hi everyone, my name is Masood and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you through the process of drawing realistic lips. We'll also discuss some common mistakes beginners often make. So let's get started. So the first mistake that beginners make when they draw realistic lips is not using any kind of guidelines. And it's okay to use guidelines because these can help you to avoid any kind of asymmetry in the drawing. And I'm still using guidelines because these are helpful for me and the easiest way to draw. However, once you have improved, you can draw lips even without using any kind of guidelines. First, draw a horizontal line and divide that line into two equal parts and point out the center part and draw a vertical line there. Draw a cupid's bow and finally connect all the points. And another thing I want to say that do not just direct jump into the adding texture. There is a form before the texture. Before adding texture, focus on the overall structure of the lips and avoid harsh lines. Using harder pencils for darker values can create a harsh and unnatural look. Shading with the 2B pencil, and it's great to start shading with the 2B pencil to build the first layer of shading. And I'm not going into the deep down to add the texture of the lips. I'm focusing on the overall form of the lips, shadows and light that make it looks three-dimensional. I'm using a soft paintbrush to blend the shade. You can also use a blending stump for blending. I'm trying to also blend around the lips using soft paintbrush to give it the more natural look. Practicing individual face features is a great way to improve your portraits drawing. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you can't improve without drawing individual face features. You can also improve by drawing full portraits. But for me, practicing individual facial features allows for deeper understanding and better control. I'm gradually increasing the pencil grades. Like initially I used 2B pencil to build the first layer of shading, then I used a 3B pencil, then I 4B, then 6B pencil for the darker areas. I'm going to gradually add lip details like wrinkles on the lips and shadows on the wrinkles, as well as a shadow under the lip, because the light is coming from directly above, casting a shadow under the lips. And make sure that the edges of the lips are not hard, they are soft. Soft edges will make your lip drawing look lifelike. Hard edges make lips look flat and unrealistic. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and thank you so much for supporting. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in my next video. Bye.